10 Best Food Blogs on Internet. Hello and welcome to our video about the 10 best food blogs on the internet. If you're a foodie or simply enjoy cooking, then you're in the right place. We all love trying out new recipes and experimenting in the kitchen, but sometimes it can be hard to find inspiration. That's where food blogs come in. These 10 food blogs have been chosen for their amazing recipes, stunning photography, and helpful tips and tricks. Whether you're looking for healthy meal ideas, sweet treats, or international cuisine, there's something for everyone on this list. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 10 best food blogs on the internet that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. 1. The Recipe Critic. Covers tried and true, family-tested and approved recipes for breakfasts, dinners, soups, desserts, and more by Alyssa Rivers, a busy wife and mother of 4 children. She tries to make practical and easy family-friendly recipes that can bring your family together at the dinner table. 2. Minimalist Baker. Sharing simple, delicious plant-based and mostly gluten-free recipes. Minimalist Baker is about celebrating simple cooking with recipes that require 10 ingredients or less, 1 bowl, or 30-minute or less to prepare. 3. Cookie and Kate. Celebrating good food, real, sustainable food that delights the senses and nourishes the body. Cookie Kate is a food blog dedicated to bringing real, whole foods back to the table. 4. Serious Eats. Providing definitive recipes, hardcore food science, trailblazing techniques, and innovative guides to essential food and drink anywhere and everywhere. Serious Eats is the destination for delicious food, with definitive recipes, trailblazing science, and essential guides to eating and knowing all about the best food, wherever you are. 5. Pinch of Yum. Covers hundreds of simple, healthy recipes and food blogging resources for food photography and blog monetization. 6. Food 52. Browse recipes, shop for kitchen, cooking, and home products, enter our contests, and get advice from our hotline. At Food 52, we help people become better, smarter, happier cooks. 7. Smitten Kitchen. The Smitten Kitchen is a 14-year-old food blog celebrating triumphant but unfussy cooking. It wants to be the place you go to find your new favorite thing to cook. 8. Love and Lemons. Healthy, vegetarian recipes and seasonal cooking tips from Janine Donofrio, writer of the Love and Lemons cookbook. The blog also covers vegetarian recipes, gluten-free recipes, and vegan recipes. Janine Donofrio is a recipe developer and author of 2 best-selling cookbooks, The Love and Lemons Cookbook and Love and Lemons Every Day. Her veggie-centric recipes celebrate how nourishing, fun, and delicious cooking with seasonal, plant-based ingredients can be. 9. Sally's Baking Addiction. Covering addictive recipes from a self-taught baker, Sally Quinn, who is also an author, photographer, dog enthusiast, sprinkle connoisseur, and runs for cookies. 10. Spend with Pennies. Browse hundreds of easy and delicious recipes tried and tested to be perfect the first time and every time. Features easy recipes, home tips, time savers and more from Holly, a wife, mother of 4, wine and cheese lover, recipe creator, shopping enthusiast, and self-appointed foodie. Thanks for watching. We hope this list will help you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share.